Hello everyone, Sam is here, and today I am excited to show you a project I've been working on that solves a problem many Flipper Zero owners face. How do you actually practice physical security techniques safely and legally? I introduce you to the ZeroRange, a Raspberry Pi platform using LCD display and different set of plugin peripheral that create a learning platform for physical security. As described, this project is using the Raspberry Pi to run the scripts. On top of that, if you want to run it in standalone mode, you could add a LCD shield wave button. Then it's really up to you what do you want to practice. As it's a range, you use your own tool and select what you want to test. Here, let's say the iButton module, it's not something you want. Then you could plug a Proxmark, so you have like NFC and RFID capabilities. Or sub-GHz, you could plug an SDR, such as the RTL one, or even an AKRF. For the first demonstration using the iButton, I really started simple, as this project is for everybody, right? So first thing first, you need to have iButton keys, and then you just need to select the first challenge, which is reading the iButton. Simple as that. So you have to plug the key to the iButton reader, and then you win the challenge. Second challenge, you need to be able to clone a tag. And for that, the Flipper Zero and my iButton reader are somehow not compatible with emulation. So I need to clone the badge from the Flipper Zero itself and then use it again on the reader. And for that here, I just use first two different badge, and you could see I have the wrong ID here because I have two different that I haven't cloned yet. I then repeat the operation using the Flipper Zero, reading the yellow badge on the Flipper Zero, then saving it and writing on the blue I button. In this way, I will be able to do the challenge all over again, reading the yellow first and then applying the blue one. And of course, I have two identical ID on both iButton, and then I have solved the challenge. That's it for the demonstration about the iButton. I know it's pretty simple from here, but that gives you ability to get to know the device for the younger folks and newbies. Like for the iButton, the idea here is to take it slow, so you could train yourself for different device or even introduce this platform for someone totally outside cybersecurity, so you could see how really easy it is to duplicate such badge or cards. Even here, just with RF field detector, you could simply identify what kind of technology is behind the reader. So it's really interesting to see what we could build simply with the vibe coding, because that's what I all did here. And with the different modules, I could have my own range, like, shooting range, golfing range. You go, you train yourself without impacting real systems. I'm waiting for your feedback. If you have any other module idea or scenario, feel free to reply down in the comments or in GitHub. Like always, I hope this video inspires you and give your idea. So let me know in a comment and don't hesitate to hit the like button.